I am a wolf. In the depths of these ancient woodlands, my kind roams in packs, an existence that is as complex as it is beautiful. It's time you knew the truth about us, for the stories you've heard are but whispers of our real essence. You see, there's more to our story than meets the eye. You might have heard tales of our solitary nature, how we are often cast as lone wanderers. Our isolation in the wilds has sparked countless myths and legends. Our eyes, like glowing orbs in the darkness, have inspired stories of our deep, mystical connection to the moon and the night itself. Our pack is not a band of merciless marauders, but a family of unity. In our pack, we care for one another, standing as one in the face of challenges. We express love and compassion within our pack, for it's not all about dominance but about a deep sense of connection. We are members of the canidae family, closely related to domestic dogs, foxes, and other canids. Within this family, we are known as Canis lupus. One of our defining characteristics is our size and strength. We are the largest members of the canine family, with males weighing between 70 to 110 pounds and standing about 30 inches tall at the shoulder. Witness the sheer beauty of our form as we run, a breathtaking spectacle that has mesmerized humans for centuries. We are, in every sense, creatures of grace and speed. Our strides are poetry in motion, each leap through the wilderness an expression of fluidity and power. When we run, we become one with the wind and the land, a sight to behold. In full flight, we can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, a testament to our agility and dexterity. The world blurs around us as we move, our strength and endurance unmatched. In the world of the wild, stealth is our ally, and silence our greatest weapon. It's a facet of our existence that has given rise to countless stories and legends. Our ability to move silently through the shadows of the forest is a testament to our evolutionary prowess. We are nature's own secret agents. Our padded feet, designed by nature, allow us to glide through the underbrush without a trace. It's as if we're the very essence of the forest itself. One of the most captivating aspects of our existence is the language of our howls. Each howl is a unique and profound form of communication among our kind, a language that carries secrets and stories. When the world's watchful eyes are turned away, our packs come alive with exuberance. We play like children, free from the constraints of survival. In our games, we test our agility, our strength, and our wit. We learn from one another, forging bonds that run deeper than the roots of the ancient trees. We share moments of affection, nuzzling and grooming one another, reaffirming our connection and unity within the pack. When you see us in our solitary moments, it's not that we are antisocial. It's simply that our connection to the wild runs deep, and we need time to reflect and recharge. Our eyes, windows to our souls, are like pools of wisdom, holding the stories of our lives and the mysteries of the wild. Our solitary, secretive looks, those enigmatic glances that have sparked fascination and wonder, they reveal a world within a world, hidden from the gaze of outsiders. Don't mistake our solitary demeanor for aloofness. In the embrace of our pack, we are spirited, playful, and fiercely loyal to one another. Our secretive looks serve as guardians of our territories and as protectors of our packs. In our solitary vigil, we safeguard our loved ones. Our kind possesses an extraordinary ability to thrive in the harshest of environments, be it the bone-chilling cold of the Arctic or the scorching heat of the desert. It's a testament to our adaptability and tenacity. In the frigid landscapes of the Arctic, where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows, we have evolved with a luxurious coat of fur that not only insulates us but also camouflages us against the snowy backdrop. And when we venture into the searing heat of the desert, where the sun blazes relentlessly, we carry within us the ability to conserve water and move efficiently under the scorching sun. Our lean and muscular bodies help us regulate our core temperature, whether it's enduring the biting cold or surviving the oppressive heat. We are truly masters of adaptation. Our paws, tough and resilient, are designed for navigating all kinds of landscapes, whether it's the frozen tundra or the rocky deserts. They are the tools that carry us through the extremes. We are mighty hunters, a force to be reckoned with in the wild. Our prowess as hunters is a testament to our strength, strategy, and unwavering determination. Our sense of smell is an invaluable asset, enabling us to track prey from great distances. We follow scents across the wilderness with an unwavering determination. In the heart of the hunt, our pack becomes a well-oiled machine. We work in harmony, surrounding our prey, cutting off escape routes, and pursuing with calculated precision. The full moon, a celestial companion that has woven legends and mystique around our kind for centuries. To us, it is a symbol of the wild, a guiding light in the night. The most common legend, one that has captured the human imagination for generations, is the myth of the werewolf, where humans are believed to transform into creatures like us during the full moon. In this tale, the full moon is thought to have mystical powers, capable of unlocking the inner beast within, turning ordinary people into ferocious, wolf-like creatures. This legend has cast a shadow of fear and fascination around our species, as humans have imagined the full moon as a harbinger of transformation, a symbol of the mysterious and the untamed. From folklore to literature, from ancient tales to modern cinema, the myth of the werewolf and the full moon has endured, inspiring countless stories of transformation and primal instincts. Much like the full moon, our enigmatic glance has not escaped the realm of myths and legends. It, too, has captured the human imagination in unique and intriguing ways. In some tales, our gaze is believed to hold a hypnotic power, capable of drawing people into the depths of our eyes, where they lose themselves in the wilderness. Howling during the full moon is a ritual that holds a profound meaning for our kind. It is not merely a display of our presence, it is a symphony of connection and communication. So, when you hear our howls during the full moon, know that it is not a mere song in the night. It is a language, a connection, and a testament to the enduring bonds that define our lives. For the lone wolf, the howl during the full moon is an invitation, a message to other solitary wanderers, beckoning them to unite and form new bonds. Our howling serves as a bridge, connecting us across vast territories. It allows us to maintain contact, share information, and strengthen our bonds, whether we are a pack united in purpose or solitary wanderers seeking companionship. Every howl is distinctive, like a fingerprint, with its own pitch, tone, and rhythm. It's a signature that identifies each of us. In the depths of the wild, our family is everything to us. We raise our young with a love and care that might surprise those who see us as fierce predators. Our dens, hidden from the world, become sanctuaries of warmth and affection. It's where we welcome our newborn pups, fragile bundles of life, into our family. The bond between parents and pups is one of unwavering love and devotion. We provide for them, protect them, and shower them with affection. As our pups grow, we teach them the ways of the wild. We guide them through playful lessons, preparing them for the challenges of life. Sharing food with our young is not just an act of nourishment, it's a gesture of love and connection, a way of reinforcing the bonds within our pack. Our family is our strength, our sanctuary, and our legacy. We teach our young the values of cooperation, loyalty, and unity that define our lives. So, when you look at us, remember that we are not just fierce hunters. We are also parents, guiding our young with tenderness and care, and fostering the future of our kind with love. The journey through our world has only just begun, and there is much more to discover in the moments that lie ahead. I invite you to stay with us, to unveil the untold stories, the hidden secrets, and the enduring wonders of our existence in the wild. Together, we will explore the heart of the wilderness and the depths of our wild spirits. So, remain by my side, as we embark on this captivating journey, for there are many chapters left to reveal, and the story of our kind is far from over.
If you've been enjoying our story, we'd love to have you join us on this wild journey. Please consider hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons.
In the realm of popular literature, wolves have found their place in the works of modern writers. Stephenie Meyer's Twilight series, for instance, has brought our kind into the spotlight, depicting a unique narrative where we coexist with humans, revealing the complexities of our existence. Other contemporary authors have also woven our kind into their tales, often exploring the bonds and tensions between humans and wolves, offering fresh perspectives on our role in the world. In the world of cinema, there have been iconic movies that have captured the essence of our lives in the wild. Dances with Wolves, The Grey, and Alpha are just a few examples, each offering a unique take on the enduring relationship between humans and wolves. These films have not only entertained audiences but have also deepened the understanding of our kind, showcasing our strength, intelligence, and the timeless mystique that continues to surround us. The influence of literature and movies has not only deepened the mysteries surrounding the twilight of human-wolf relationships but has also cast us as essential characters in horror thrillers, adding layers of intrigue to our existence. In the realm of horror thrillers, we have been portrayed as creatures of the night, mysterious and fearsome. These stories exploit the age-old fascination with the unknown, making our kind a symbol of both fear and fascination. The complexities of the human-wolf relationship, often shrouded in twilight and intrigue, have become central themes in these tales. They explore the blurred lines between our species and delve into the enigma of coexistence.
Nestled within the heart of these age-old woodlands, where the beauty of twilight entwines with the untamed, the lives of wolves unfold as a mesmerizing symphony of existence. We are enigmatic beings, a species that has stirred the human imagination for eons, an embodiment of the wild's enduring allure. Under the gaze of the radiant full moon, our voices resonate in a harmonious howl, a symphony of communication that conveys unity, connection, and the unbreakable bonds within our pack. Our familial bonds are woven with threads of loyalty, where parents lovingly guide their young through the mysteries of the wild, imparting lessons of survival and resilience.
There are many myths associated with wolf packs and the role of alpha male and female.
Within our packs, the roles of the alpha male and female are pivotal. They are the leaders, the decision makers, guiding the pack with wisdom and authority. The alpha pair is responsible for maintaining order, ensuring the welfare of the entire pack, and making crucial choices, from hunting strategies to den locations.
Standing beneath the vast expanse of the night sky, I must tell you that my howls are not mere sounds in the wilderness, they are the songs of nature itself. With each soul-stirring note that I release, I weave a tapestry of the wild, a melodic narrative that tells of the moon's luminous embrace, the rustling secrets of the forest, and the ancient rhythms of life. My howls are a harmonious expression of unity, connecting me with my pack members and nature's symphony.
The running mechanism of wolves is a testament to their evolutionary adaptations for effective pursuit of prey. Wolves possess powerful leg muscles, particularly in their hind limbs, which provide them with remarkable speed and endurance. Their long legs and lightweight bodies allow them to cover great distances swiftly, often sustaining speeds of 30 to 40 miles per hour during a chase. Their elongated spine and flexible vertebral column provide a unique grace in their movement, enabling them to make sharp turns and quick maneuvers during a pursuit. Literature. Like a torch in the darkness, has illuminated the pages of our stories with vivid prose. Through the poetic words of Barry Lopez in Of Wolves and Men, and the keen observations of Rick McIntyre in The Rise of Wolf 8, we have been brought to life in all our profound complexity. These wordsmiths have unveiled the intricacies of our behavior, our social bonds, and the critical roles we play in ecosystems. Red wolves, or Canis rufus, are a distinct and critically endangered wolf species native to North America. They are smaller in size compared to the gray wolf, with slender bodies and distinctive reddish-brown fur. Red wolves once had a broader range across the southeastern United States, but extensive habitat loss and human activities have greatly reduced their population. Unlike gray wolves, which primarily live in packs, red wolves exhibit more flexible social structures, often forming family units composed of a breeding pair and their offspring. Their diet includes small mammals and deer, making them essential components of local ecosystem. On the other hand, gray wolves, scientifically known as Canis lupus, are the most widely distributed wolf species globally. They are known for their iconic gray coat, but their fur can also range from white to black. Gray wolves are larger and more robust than red wolves, and they have a highly structured pack social system led by an alpha pair, consisting of an alpha male and an alpha female. These packs collaborate to hunt larger prey like deer, elk, and bison. Gray wolves have a wider range, inhabiting diverse ecosystems from forests to grasslands. Their role as apex predators has a significant impact on the populations of their prey species, making them keystone species that help maintain ecosystem health and balance. While both red wolves and gray wolves play important roles in their respective ecosystems, their differences in size, social structure, and geographic range make them unique and vital contributors to North America's biodiversity. Wolves have specialized paw pads, equipped with sweat glands, which provide traction and help dissipate excess heat during high-speed chases. All these adaptations combined make wolves highly effective and strategic hunters, capable of pursuing prey over long distances, working together in coordinated efforts to secure a successful hunt. In the realm of Norse mythology, the story of Fenrir, the monstrous wolf, is a tale of both foreboding and fascination. Fenrir was born to the trickster god Loki and the giantess Angerboa, making him a creature of chaos and destruction. From his earliest days, it was evident that Fenrir was no ordinary wolf. He grew at an alarming rate, quickly becoming a colossal and fearsome beast.
The gods of Asgard, recognizing the threat Fenrir posed to their world, sought to bind him. They crafted a chain, known as Gleipnir, from deceptively light materials, including the sound of a cat's footsteps, the beard of a woman, the roots of a mountain, the sinews of a bear, and the breath of a fish. They presented this seemingly fragile chain to Fenrir as a challenge, daring him to break free from it.
With his powerful jaws, Fenrir snapped through the strongest chains the gods could forge. However, when they bound him with Gleipnir, he realized too late that it was enchanted, and despite his tremendous strength, he could not escape. In response, the gods thrust a sword into his mouth to silence his monstrous howls, forever sealing his fate. Fenrir's story is one of betrayal and fate, a symbol of the uncontrollable forces of chaos that even the gods themselves could not subdue. In the end, he will play a pivotal role in the apocalyptic event known as Ragnarok, where he will break free and wreak havoc upon the world, ultimately meeting his end in a cataclysmic battle. The story of Fenrir is a reminder that, even in the realm of gods and monsters, fate is an unyielding force, and the monstrous can be both fearsome and tragic. As we venture deeper into the heart of the wilderness, countless more stories await to be shared, secrets yearn to be uncovered, and mysteries beckon to be unraveled. Stay by our side, for the chapters of our existence remain far from conclusion, and together, we will embark on a journey to explore the uncharted corners of our world, painting a vivid tapestry of the wild that resonates with the very soul of the wolf.